Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duncan. Today we're going to walk through Aviara's AV36 Outboard. Starting here off the transom, we have Mercury V10 400s. Moving forward, sea deck throughout, off the transom. Really nice retractable sunshade to keep you cool on a hot day. We have our wet bar here with a refrigerator. Storage compartment in this side. Pull out cooler. Nice wraparound seating here in the cockpit. Plenty of storage underneath all the seats. Dock lines, fenders, your canvas can all go under here. Moving forward to the helm. Seat will face forward. This will face aft. That's your co-pilot seat. Double wide helm seat, real nice. Controls, Simrad electronics, automatic trim tabs, Mercury joystick piloting, VHF radio. We're down in the cabin of the AV36 Outboard. This boat is equipped with air conditioning, the AV package, TV, Clips soundbar, microwave, fully enclosed head. We're at the bow of the AV36 Outboard. Very spacious, deep seating, comfortable while you're running the boat. Windlass anchor, a remote, and a washdown. Thanks. Please give us a call, MarineMax Huntington, 631-956-4865.